Welcome back to the channel. In today video, we dive into one of the most important part of successfully gardening, how to gardening the perfect plants layout for your rustic gardening bed. Whether you are complete beginning and explored gardening look to provide your hand those layout will help your growing health plants space save and get big yard all seasoning long. So let's beginning. Choose the right rustic bed size before plants your layout. The first step in select the correct bed size. The most popular and bring front size is 4 feet 2 by 8 feet wide. You can easily reach the contact from both sides. The step look become you need step inside the bed if it's perfect for original plants and easy water. If you new start with one and two rustic bed, one you are get transforming you can explore whenever your look perfection high quality salt will plants layout meaning now without good salt rustic bed perform best with a rich look and material mix. A perfect rustic gardening salt health salt give you root fast growing and big health for oxygen gardening add material like compost worm ben most boost plants for the start sun dixamide before plants your layout sunlight plants or in role in how you want your plants again choice for the sun rising and set in your gardening idea rustic gardening bed but should be salt face plants need at a later 6 to 8 hours for sunlight place tall plants on the natural side less growing plants On the south side, this simple layout even plants receive property sunlight without bring shade, but tall plants use the tall to small plants. One of the best layout technology and is air plants for trellis for short. North side tall plants. Salt, sunflower oaking, pole bring. Plants your water setup. Restrict bed during out fast then crop gardening. So water layout material best option during inspire smoke house a still layout of much. Much can reading your water need by up to 15 while keep salt cool and metal. Follow seasoning crop reason. Even growing the simple plant in the sum every year. Finally, message. A successfully district gardening bed layout in all about some plants, understanding plants need use sunlight, warm and follow effect technology like plants, secured foot, gardening and select route. If you are appear those layouts stay your restrict bed will become health more protective and easy. Main interest throughout is growing season. If you appear those layout, your district bed will become health more productive and stick main interest throughout growing season. If enjoy this gas